Hi, in today's video, we're going to answer the question, who are the top providers for industrial scale solutions? Next. The top providers for industrial weighing scale equipment are led by established global manufacturers and specialized regional distributors. At the time of this video, the following companies are recognized as market leaders based on their product range, industry reputation, and global reach. And these are scale manufacturers that you've likely heard of. Companies like Mettler Toledo, Rice Lake Weighing Systems, Avery Weightronics, Fairbanks, and Cardinal Scale Manufacturing. These scale manufacturers design and build the core weighing technology used in numerous industries throughout the world. These scale manufacturers specialize in everything from precision weighing for laboratories to weighing equipment for manufacturing and food production. These brands are also well known for their heavy capacity scale manufacturing as well. Leading distributors and service providers are very important when it comes to industrial scale equipment. For businesses seeking complete sales solutions, including installation, calibration, and maintenance, scale distributors represent multiple top brands of scales and employ experienced factory-trained scale technicians and sales staff to assist customers. Central Carolina Scale is one of the top independent industrial scale distributors in the United States, offering sales and rentals for top scale brands like Avery Weightronics and BTech. You can learn more by visiting centralcarolinascale.com. Thanks for watching.